In this video, I will be showing you how to delete apps on Android. This is a very easy tutorial, so stay tuned. Now, what you're going to do here is to long press these applications. If you want to delete or uninstall your application on your Android, you just have to long press it. Okay, so as you can see, if you're going to long press these applications, there are options like uninstall, app info. So all you have to do is to tap this uninstall here. That's how you delete that. You can uninstall as many as you can, especially those who are or those that are temporary files or temporary applications, meaning you don't usually use it or you just use it for a day or just one time. So you can uninstall this so that it can also help your phone to work well. You free some space and yeah, that's it. Now you just have to tap as many as you can and just uninstall. You can uninstall applications at a time. So that's it. You can also go to your settings and go to storage usage, or you can tap and install there or force tap, but this one is the easiest way on how to delete your applications on your Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.